All right, continuing in week 5, marketing with Facebook, we're going to learn about Facebook data collecting and or some information about that. Let's scooch this down here. Okay, week 5, part B. So by Monday, I want you to, I'll keep updating the class links with Facebook page links on it so that you can like each other's pages. And I don't mean just your group members, but everyone in the class that has a Facebook link on there. And make sure the pages are a business page, and but you have to like it from your personal page, which you should have if you either have one or you had to set one up. Just use it through that. And then write a comment in response to a post on your group members' pages. So check it out. You don't have to write on everyone's page, but if they made a post on there, like talking about their business or something in there, leave a comment. It's a learning thing for each of you to see that, to write a comment, obviously, but to leave a comment and see what happens. And again, liking someone's business does not mean they are your Facebook friend. They won't be able to view your personal information, posts, or photos unless they are your friend. Only public content will show, which will mean your basic page. So on your blog, what I want you to do is that on Facebook, they track 2 items, post reach, and that's how what you post reaches out to an audience as a post in their feed. It doesn't mean they look at it or see it or anything, but it's there. And this is why repetitive posting is really good, because maybe after a while, maybe they don't notice it at first, but then they're like, oh, there's that thing on, pet training, pet training, pet training. Maybe I need to take a look. My dog keeps jumping on me or something, or dog treats. Okay, say, oh, maybe I can teach my dog to do some tricks if he has some good treats. And then there's post engagement, where the viewer actually stops and connects with a post either by liking it or sharing it or commenting on it. So I want you to explain to me why each of them is important. So think about it. What are they for? Why are they important? And then what can you learn from them? What happens? Because Facebook will tell you, like, oh, you had, this many likes. It's your engagement is up this much or down this much, or you've had more people following your page, whatever. Anyway, what Facebook does is sharing data with you is called Facebook Insights. And I want you to look it up, because if you don't have enough likes on your page, which most of you won't if they're new pages, then you can't actually track a lot of data insights. They'll give you some basic things again, like how your post reach and post engagement has increased or decreased or whatever, but more details won't come through. So I want you to look online and see how businesses can use Facebook Insights and what's available and everything, and then write it from your perspective. I don't want you to just read something and copy and paste it, because what good does that do me? I want you to think about what they're sharing with you. And then tell me whose Facebook pages you commented on. Just add that to the same post. So it'll be 5B. And just tag that on the end of your post. And again, because the data insights are not available before you have 100 likes, so most people won't be able to access this. But it's a pretty cool tool. They change it up and down. Sometimes it goes down to 25 likes, but they've gone up to 100 again, I think. So you can use the internet to research this Facebook specific terms and relate or see how they relate to Facebook Insights. And privacy changes, especially the ones started by Apple, really has changed how Facebook and other companies can collect data. It's more limited, because it's amazing what they used to be able to tell you. It's kind of scary, It helped you aim better at the market out there, because you'd go, oh, this person is looking at this. They would like, that's what I do, so I'll send my ad to them. Or Facebook would help you send to that. But now it's a little more limited, but it's still helpful. So, but what do you think about that? privacy and changes, I mean, I'm kind of for it because I was kind of creeping out, some of the stuff you get in the mail or in the little ads that come up, and you're just like, I was just, looking at, and why is it sending me an ad for that? Like if I look up sewing patterns or something, all of a sudden there's these sewing things or things, like that. You know what I mean. Um, so even if your business that you're making your Facebook for is not real, you can ask your friends to like it because again, Facebook will share some insights about that. And it's kind of fun. It's interesting to learn. So it's a great learning tool.